Who is the enemy that you must face? And what weapons do you use in this war?
Submit yourselves therefore to God, resist the devil, and he will flee from you. Wherefore take unto you the whole armor of God, that ye may be able to withstand in the evil day, and having done all to stand. Stand therefore, having your loins girt about with truth, and having on the breastplate of righteousness, and your feet shod with the preparation of the gospel of peace. Above all, taking the shield of faith, wherewith ye shall be able to quench all the fiery darts of the wicked. And take the helmet of salvation and the sword of the Spirit, which is the word of God. For the weapons of our warfare are not carnal, but mighty through God to the pulling down of strongholds, casting down imaginations and every high thing that exalted itself against the knowledge of God, and bringing into captivity every thought to the obedience of Christ.
The Bible makes it very clear that your enemy is the devil, or Satan. The Bible depicts him as a roaring lion walking around looking for people to destroy. Wow. But in these verses, we get a list of the weapons you are to use against him. These are spiritual weapons because this is a spiritual war. There are a few things to notice about the weapons you have access to. Number one, they all belong to God. Going into battle with the devil while carrying your own weapons, like your own righteousness, for example, is a recipe for disaster. You must depend on Jesus and use the weapons he provides. Two, most of the weapons God provides are defensive. A belt, a breastplate, a shield, and a helmet are all used to protect you. Lastly, the two offensive weapons are two very simple things: the Bible and prayer. Think about it this way. Every time you pick up the Bible to read it, to study it, to listen to it, and every time you get down on your knees and pray, you are performing an act of war against Satan. Ever wonder why, when you make a firm decision to do one of those things, after forgetting about it for a while, bad things seem to happen in your life? Now you know.